Welcome to Money Matters. My name is Biko. I'm excited to have you today. So this is part two of part one about investing, right? So in this video, I'm just going to share with you three more benefits of investing. In part one, I shared with you, that the first benefit of investing is it helps you to beat inflation, right? Because let's face it, none of us have control over inflation, but there are certain things you can do to prevent you from falling victim to inflation. So we discussed that in part one. So this video, I'm going to share with you three more. But before we proceed, let me just make a disclaimer. Please contact a licensed financial professional for all your investment needs. I am not responsible, and my channel is not responsible for any investments you make. All right, so let's get back to benefit number two of investing. Second benefit of investing is that investing helps you to grow wealth at a faster pace than saving. You compare investing to saving money in your bank account, which again I highly recommend everybody should save. If you watched one of my videos, earlier videos, it was just about paying yourself first, so saving certain percentage of your income, right? So I highly recommend everybody, no exception, everybody to save. But saving is not enough. If you want to get ahead, while saving is good, but it's not enough. You have to invest. So if you compare saving to investing, and I'm going to share that with you. You're going to see a little clip. If you compare saving to investing, it's like someone riding a bike, right? Versus someone in a Ferrari going 200 miles an hour, and you are on a bicycle going 5 miles an hour. Yeah, you eventually get to your destination, but I can guarantee you 99.9% of the time that person going 100 miles an hour is going to reach their destination a lot faster than someone who is on a bicycle. That is just comparing investing to saving money. So to drive home my point, just take a look at this. Okay, so as I was telling you, investing has a second benefit, right? So when you invest, it actually helps you to build wealth at a faster pace. So in this video, I'm going to I'm just going to share with you, or I'm going to show you a little comparison. What if you invested $5,000 into the stock market, right? And I selected Amazon, versus taking that $5,000 and putting that into a savings account. What's going to be the difference 10 years later, right? So let's just take a look here, right? So this is Amazon stock price, their stock history. So just keep an eye here on the cursor, right? So let's go here to October. Let's go to October 24th, 2008, right? So October 24th, 2008, the price of one stock of Amazon was about $50, right? You see here, about $50, right? Now, let's fast forward to 2018, right? The price of a stock of one share of Amazon is $1,800. So look, 2008, one share of Amazon was roughly $50, right? And fast forward to 2000, you see here. Let me go back here. October 24th, 2008, a share of Amazon, $50, right? Fast forward October 16th, 2018, $1,800. I'm just showing you this to drive home the point that investing builds wealth at a faster pace than saving. Savings is good, don't get me wrong. I highly encourage everybody to save, to build up your emergency fund, but savings is not enough. If you want to be wealthy, you have to invest. Now, let's take a look here. I went to, this is a very good website. It's called bankrate.com. So this website will compare interest rates for credit cards, savings accounts, CDs, all of those things. So it's a website you should check out. But let's take a look here, right? Currently, the national average savings rate, interest rate on a savings account is 0.09%. That's less than 1%. It's less than 0.1%. So it's not even 0.1%, right? So let's take a look here. If you have a CD, a 1-year CD average national cost is about 0.72%, which is less than 1%, right? Take a look here. For a savings account, is less than 0.1%, right? So it's less than 0.1%. Now, I'm showing you that to set up a quick comparison. Let's take a look here, and I just created this chart to make it very easy for you so I could drive home the point, right? Take a look here. Assuming you invested $5,000 in October 2008 in Amazon, right? Versus saving that money in your bank account. Let's, for illustration, assume that your bank gave you 1% annual interest, right? Let's just make that assumption, right? They gave you 1% annual interest. So in October 2018, October 2008, which was 10 years ago, a share of Amazon costs roughly $50. And if you invested $5,000, you have bought 100 shares of Amazon, right? Now, you fast forward to October 2018. If you have invested $5,000 into Amazon, right, in 2008, you fast forward to October 2018. Now that $5,000 you invested will now be worth $190,000, right? What about your bank account? If you just put that money into a savings account and let it sit, it will be worth $505. Now $5,500. Now, what's your total profit? So here, to determine the total profit, I subtracted $5,000, which was your initial amount you invested, from $190,000, and that gives you $186,000, right? $185,942. That's how much profit you made just in 10 years, just letting your money sit and doing absolutely nothing. If that money was invested into, if you put that money into a savings account and just let it sit, assuming you get 1% annual interest, now you just got $500 profit. So let me ask you this question, which is a no-brainer. Would you rather get $185,000 profit or $500 profit? Easy question. Drives home my point that if you want to build wealth at a faster pace, you have to invest. saving is good, and I highly encourage you to save, and that's one of my videos, one of my earlier videos. But savings is not enough. You have to invest. Now back to the video. Okay, so now you just saw how investing beats savings any given day, right? Now, assuming that your investment turns out great, assuming you don't lose money, because with every investment there's a risk that you could lose money. But assuming you don't lose money, investment beats saving money in a bank account any single day. The second, the third benefit of investing is investing helps you to get to retirement earlier, right? A lot earlier than saving money, right? Because let's face it, everybody wants to retire someday, whether you're 20 years old, whether you're in your 40s, or whether you're in your 50s. At the end of the day, nobody wants to work every single day of their life until they drop dead, right? At some point, you have to call it quits. At some point, either due to physical reasons or whatever, but your body just can't handle working anymore. You have to slow down. That's retirement. Now, if you invest, you can get to retire at a much early age. Like you will even retire in your 40s if you start investing now, or if you have 10 years or 20 years to retirement. If you start investing, you could get there a lot faster than than just doing what most people do, right? So that's the third benefit of investing. The fourth benefit of investing, and this one is something that people don't really take into consideration, you save money on your taxes. Because let's face it, the money you earn from investing is taxed at a lower rate than money you earn from working. So if you're investing, you're actually making more money, but yet and still paying lower taxes. It's a win-win. So those are the four benefits of investing. Number one, it helps you to stay ahead of inflation. Number two, it builds your wealth at a faster rate. You can get to your destination a lot faster. Number three, it helps you to get to retirement a lot faster. And number four, it saves you money on your taxes. You pay lower taxes than someone who is earning their income through working, right? So now I know investing, this whole topic is it's a very big, very big topic. This is just an overview. I'm just giving you reasons why you should invest. Sometime in the next coming weeks or months, I'm going to create a whole series, maybe a 2 or 3 week series just on investing, and in that I'm going to show you I'm going to show you when to invest. Now I'm going to teach you when to invest, what to invest in. Should you invest in stocks? Should you invest in real estate? Should you invest in bonds? Should you invest in businesses? What is it? I'm going to give, it's going to be a very detailed series just on investing. Every single thing you need to know about investing. What percentage of your income to invest? At what time do you call it quits? Like, do you take out your investment when you make 10% profit, or should you wait until you earn 100% profit or 200% profit? What should you invest in? Should you invest in Bitcoin or cryptocurrency? I'm going to cover every single thing. The tax implications of investing. Every single thing I'm going to cover. So keep an eye out for that. But again, like always, subscribe, and make sure you sign up for the alerts when you subscribe. So in that way, when videos come up, you're going to get an alert. But thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, Money Matters is here to take you from living paycheck to paycheck to living an independent, financially independent life, to take you from being unhappy, to being a happy person to take you from being unproductive to living a productive life. So I'm here for you. If you have questions, let me know in the comment section, or you could send me an email. I have my email down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.